S, 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 look at me. I'm the slithering letter, can't you see? Big S, small s, fun to say. Let's learn the letter S today.
S is for sun, shining so bright. S is for snake, sliding left and right. S is for star in the sky so blue. Letter S is fun for you.
Draw big S, a curvy line. Draw small s, a curve so fine. Practice every single day. You will learn the letter